Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing devices and opening the Google Home app. This gets you into the setup flow fast. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are on so the app can detect the speaker. You'll sign in with the Google account you want associated with the device. Once signed in, tap the plus icon to add a device and choose Set up New Device in your home. This launches the device discovery sequence and starts the pairing handshake. Once the app finds your Google Home, you'll select it and listen for the audio confirmation tone that proves physical proximity. You then pick the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure to use 4 GHz if the device struggles with 5 GHz. After connecting, assign the speaker to a room so routines and device groups work logically. You can also set up Voice Match now for personalized responses. Follow the prompts to teach Google your voice. You finish by allowing any firmware updates to install and then testing simple commands like, "Hey Google, what time is it?" to verify functionality. Make sure to link music services, calendar, and any smart home accounts in the app so the device can act on your requests. If setup fails, power cycle your router and speaker first. If that doesn't help, factory reset the Google Home and retry the process. This resolves most hidden pairing or network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.